Did you know roadshows are the perfect opportunity to drive awareness to your brand, product or service? They give you the opportunity to increase sales, learn some customer insights, or network with new and existing contacts. It's all about you going to your audience, being where they are and where they are en masse. When you get the creative and the branding right, a roadshow can be one of the most effective marketing spends you will deliver on. No idea is impossible. We've recently done roadshows for the Commonwealth Bank, Coca-Cola and Qantas, from pop-up stores around the country to shopping centres in 7 cities. So you're thinking organising one will be time consuming, and it may even feel as though it's beyond your team's capabilities. We have the expertise to take care of every detail, freeing you up to concentrate on the areas of your business that need you most. Our extensive supply arrangements mean we can quickly locate the resources needed, stick to deadlines and stay on budget. Design, build, transport, install, store, it's what we do. Allow us to take your roadshow from run-of-the-mill to remarkable.